Welcome to this episode of Carnivore Ideas, where I'm going to show you how to make this dish, the Saus-Egg. Now, I did Google and I couldn't find a dish called this name, so if it becomes popular, remember you heard from it here first. So I'm going to show you what ingredients you need to make this lovely meal that you can either have all yourself or share with friends and family. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make the Saus-Egg. So this is mince that I've got out the packet. It's 500 grams of pork mince. I compressed it all together and squeezed it because of course it's gone through the mincer, so it's all shredded. I put the ball on and I flattened it out, and I used a rolling pin to stretch it out into that shape. It's on grease-proof paper to make it easier for me to roll at the end. I've also got 3 slices of cheddar cheese and 4 boiled eggs. I've already boiled them, ready to go. So I'm just going to put this all together, add a little bit of salt in, and then we'll put it in the oven and away we go. So this is the great thing about the carnivore diet. Because it's the proper human diet, it's so easy to eat. There's no prep time, there's no ingredients, there's no whacking together anything. You literally get your slab of meat, cut what you want, fry it, eat it, and then you're eating. So simple. But it's nice just to make something, and this is where my carnivore idea episodes are going to come in. If you just want something a little bit different, combine a few things, but still it's easy. 3 ingredients I put together, and then we're just going to roll this into a sausage shape in the oven, probably for about half an hour, and away you go. You can either eat the whole thing yourself, or you can share it with some friends and family. So we're just going to roll this up into that sausage shape, like so. And this is where the greaseproof paper comes in, because literally I just rolled it over and then I could peel that back. And then same this side. And then you just squeeze that together to then combine to make your sausage shape. Well, there you go. All rolled up into a sausage shape. Looks great, doesn't it? Put that in the oven for half an hour, and we'll cut into that and see the end result. So there you have it. I've just taken it out the oven, put it on this plate, and it's looking great. Looks delicious. So I'm just going to cut a piece out of it and we'll see what it's like. Oh, look at that in there. Got the nice egg in the middle with the cheese melted around and the pork. Tastes delicious. Well, there you have it, the Saus-Egg, a dish I've made up. Great tasting, great to have for yourself, or like I said, to share with some friends. And that's this episode of Carnivore Ideas. Come back next time on my next episode to see what I make then.